Hello and welcome. My name is Mr. Maths and this is Mr. Maths Revision. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to look at the solving of a fractional equation for you. So we'll have a look at the board. We have a fractional equation. We have x over 2 plus 6 equals 8. We need to now collect the x's on the left and the numbers on the right. So we have this rule, and the rule is, number 1, collect the x on the left hand side of the equation, and number 2, collect the numbers on the right hand side of the equation. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to move this 6 to the other side of the equation. I said I'm going to move the 6, but when we move that 6 we follow another rule. And the rule is, if we change the side of an equation, then we'll change the sign. I'll repeat that. If we change the side of an equation, we change the sign. What that means, when we go over the equal symbol, we'll change the sign of that plus 6 going over. So that plus 6 here will become minus 6. I followed my rule, you see. I changed the side of an equation and I changed the sign. So plus 6 becomes minus 6 on the right hand side. I now have x over 2 is equal to 8 minus 6, which is 2. This now is still a fractional equation, x over 2 equal to 2. So I must now eliminate the fraction. And I eliminate the fraction 2 here by following another rule. And my rule here is to multiply both sides of the equation by 2. So what I do, I put a 2 in front on the left hand side of the equation, and I put a 2 in front on the right hand side of the equation. I have now multiplied both sides of the equation by 2, and I put a block around there to emphasize that. We want the answer for x, not x over 2, so I've multiplied both sides of the equation by 2 to eliminate the fraction. I now cancel on the left hand side. 2 into 2 goes once, 2 into 2 goes once. So you see what I've done, I've cancelled. I'm left now with x on the left hand side of the equation and 2 times 2, which is 4, on the right hand side. So my solution is x equal to 4. And what we say is that x satisfies the equation. The solution x equal to 4 satisfies the equation. Let's have a look at it again. We had x over 2 plus 6 equal to 8. I followed my rules and I moved the plus 6 to the right hand side of the equation because we have to collect the x's on the left hand side and the numbers on the right. When I moved my plus 6, I turned it to minus 6 because we followed the rule, which is change the side of an equation, change the sign. That is, when you go across the equal symbol here, you change the sign of the term going over. I then multiply both sides of the equation by 2 to clear my fraction, to eliminate my fraction. And then I cancel the 2's here to get x on its own. That really is 1x if you want, but we say we're looking for x and x equal to 4, and that was the solution of the equation. And worth repeating again, and x satisfies the equation. Well, thank you very much for watching the mathematics video on the fractional equation here. And I look forward to tutoring you in the next mathematics video. Goodbye and good luck with your mathematics.